Hello everyone and welcome to another video of AndroidWizardry. In our previous video, we have created a very basic BMI calculator application which calculates the BMI on clicking of calculate button based on the values filled in the height and weight edit text fields and shows the result on our text view. In today's video, we are continuing with the same application and we will improve our UI and make it more user appealing. So let's start. First thing, I'm going to separate the hint from both edit text like this. So now after this I will change the background color of our app. I choose this color, but you can choose any color which you like. Now I'm going to add app name at the top of our screen using material toolbar along with the relative layout. Now that our toolbar is set, I am now going to modify the height and weight edit text. I'm going to place them right below our toolbar and increase the size of these views. This is already looking good, so now I'm just going to run our application and see how it looks. Well, this already looks pretty good, so we can now move forward. Now what I want is for the user to select their own measurement units, and for that we need a drop down. For that I'm going to use spinner. I'm just going to add it to the UI for this video and the functionality we are going to see in our next video. Now let's edit our calculate button and result text view. What I am also thinking, if the border of these height and weight blocks is curved, it will look good. So for that I'm going to use card view. So this card view is going to give them nice rounded corners, and we can also create a shadow effect as well. So that's all for today. We have improved our UI a lot. In our next video, I'm going to implement the spinner feature so that user can select the units they want, and we will also add unit conversions to one specific unit for ease of BMI calculation. If you have learned something, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming tutorials. And see you in the next video.